Hey everyone, are you as surprised as I am? Nokia. Yes, that Nokia, the company we've always trusted blindly. They are now bringing a true monster phone to the mid-range segment, and it's genuinely going to blow your mind. Get ready for a spectacular, DSLR level, 200 megapixel camera. That's right, we are talking about the Nokia NX 5G. And I guarantee you, once you hear these features, you'll instantly say, I must have this phone. So why wait? Let's dive right in and get the complete scoop on this powerhouse device. Features of the Nokia NX 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. This phone is rocking a massive 6.8-inch Full QHD plus LTPO OLED display. This is no ordinary screen, folks. This comes with a 2K resolution. That means whether you're watching videos or gaming, the experience is nothing short of a movie theater. But the real joy is in the smoothness. A 120Hz refresh rate, and an insane 390Hz touch sampling rate. Just touch it, and the phone flies. And for security, you get an ultra-fast in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. Now, hold your breath. Because this is the feature that will shock you the most. Everyone these days wants a professional camera, and Nokia has listened. The Nokia NX 5G features a triple camera setup, and its main sensor is a massive 200 megapixels. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixel. Forget your DSLRs now. Alongside this, you get two more sensors, a 32 megapixel, and a 5 megapixel lens. This means whether it's zoom or wide shot, portrait or macro, every single photo will be absolutely perfect. And for the selfie lovers, a sharp 32 megapixel front camera. Performance. A phone's true heart, its processor. And this phone is getting the latest and most powerful one. We are talking about the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset. Gaming, multitasking, 4K video editing, this processor will make every task as smooth as butter. And yes, it will run on the brand new Android 16 operating system, which means the latest features and top-notch security. This isn't a phone, it's a performance monster. Battery backup. Friends, you can forget about battery anxiety forever. The Nokia NX 5G gives you a colossal 7500 mAh battery. This can give you backup for not just all day, but even more than a full day. And if the charge ever runs low, no worries. Because it supports 90-watt ultra-fast charging, your phone will be fully charged in about the time it takes for a coffee break. That is true freedom. Price and launch date. So, how much will this phone cost you? Well, according to leaks, the estimated price for this amazing phone is going to be just around $750. Isn't that affordable? This is a steal. The launch date isn't official yet, but expectations are high that this will be in our hands by the end of this year. So, what do you think of this Nokia monster? Let me know in the comments below.